we're sitting here eating. Hey guys.
Hi, I'm Pia. I'm from Germany. What do you need? Like,
that's great.
okay.
I'm Emma and I'm from the United States of America. And I got this lovely sandwich.
Oh yeah.
Look at all this food. And we're sharing this before we actually dig into like.
You always have to split a sweet dish amongst your savory dishes for brunch.
Perfect.
Shopping? What did you think of the stuff that we saw?
Pretty good. There's some cool patterned shirts in there. Kind of touristy, but she got a cool hat.
It's not as cheap as Thailand, but still good prices. And we're getting into the really busy part of the city right now.
Hey guys, so it's Monday. I'm gonna go check out this really cool co-work. They're supposed to have a really big spot and tons of food options, so we'll see what the vibe is. Guys, so I just got back from the cafe and I had to ride one of the scooters because that's like the main way to get around. And it was a bit intense. It was a bit intense. I wanted it to end, but as far as the cafe goes though, the vibe was amazing. The food was good. The staff was super nice, and it was like literally made for nomads. So all around stars there. Hey guys, because it's so hot, I'm actually gonna go for a little afternoon swim in the pool and then maybe get back to work. Probably have some pizza in the middle. So it is really cool living in this bungalow because it's like so peaceful and naturey, but this is definitely the biggest con. So I'm not sure if you can see them, but they are everywhere. Now, luckily they're not like in my bed or in my room. They are in the bathroom. So the bathroom, as you can tell, the roof doesn't look that great. Super cool, super modern, but there's a lot of holes for bugs. Little bit of games. Little bit of games.
You didn't say no.
How are you feeling?
I'm doing good. I'm excited to try out the food for this new cafe. I play Uno.
I love Uno and I love food and I love cafes and I love Ubud.
And what about us?
And you guys.
What do you think of the meal?
Oh, sorry. It's great. It's good. Yes.
So today's fit, got like a swimsuit because the co-work I'm going to has a pool. These pants, I actually picked these up in Chinatown. It's kind of funny. They say Versace, but I paid $3 for them. But yeah, loving this look. And then yeah, now I am off to the co-work as soon as it stops raining. Not a vibe about Bali is like the fucking dogs. They're like very intense and they will attack, and so like I just keep my distance from them. Oh, I just
that's crazy. That actually helped you a lot. Hey!
Wow, guys. But last night I went to this really amazing meetup. There was about 30 nomads there, pretty much from everywhere. But some amazing people from India, as well as an awesome girl from Belarus, some other Americans, and it was just really cool getting to chat with everyone. The conversations definitely got a bit deep and some things that I was passionate about. But later today, I will meet up with some of those people. So this is kind of how I will make friends when I am going somewhere and my friends don't want to do anything, or I just want to be around new people. I will go to a meetup and yeah, kind of dig and see who's down to kind of talk about something deep. I know that sounds a bit dramatic, but sometimes with these meetups, it can be like very surface level conversations. But was able to have some amazing conversations yesterday, and I'm really excited to hang out with them. Hey guys, so something that is really popular in Bali is like everyone is a coach, and today there is a sexual feminine energy coach. And so I'm gonna go hear her talk and interactive conversation on taboo things about feminine energy and sex. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. So I am finally getting some walking in, which I'm really excited about because the only way to get around is like scooter, and more scooter. And right now I'm in a spot where I can actually walk, which is so nice. Definitely something I miss about being in Europe, but nevertheless, it's sunny and it's peaceful. So today is the Clapton concert at Savayya, which is supposed to be the best venue in Bali. So really excited to check this out. You have to dress up a little bit, so I'm feeling very Bali-ish, and I'll let you guys know how it is. So we just got to the club and we're gonna see what it's about. We're pretty excited. Hey guys, so I just packed up my room at the villa. I'm actually moving to a new villa today, and Becca gets here today. So super excited, and we're moving a bit more in town. So maybe I can walk without getting attacked by a dog. That would be awesome. But yeah, there's all my stuff.